We start with some breaking news we're picking up at this hour. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has written to social media platforms and has informed them that the Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Ethics Code Rules 2021 has come into effect and has requested compliance. Government has also sought key details from social media giants. So remember, this is certainly now a follow-up of the 3-month window that was given by the Indian government to comply with the new rules. And this holds true for all social media intermediaries who are operating in India. So we had a response that came in from Facebook a day before the deadline came to an end, that is on 24th. WhatsApp too, on the last day, has refused to comply to the new set of rules, and now the Ministry of Electronics and Information sending out this particular notice and has said that this rule has come into effect and has now requested compliance. Our executive editor Niranjan is also joining us with more details on the same. Niranjan, we have a response from Facebook. And the biggest talking point this evening is what WhatsApp has said and how it has now taken the entire issue to Delhi High Court. It says it threatens the privacy of its users. The government also has given a point-by-point rebuttal, but the government for now maintaining that these rules have come into effect now and must be followed.
I have the notification in my hand, Kritsween, and I'm going to read out from it. It says the Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and it reads all significant. It reads all significant social media intermediaries. All significant social media intermediaries subject requesting details of compliance. So the government is basically asking for details of compliance from all these social media intermediaries, and this is addressed to all significant social media intermediaries, and the subject reads and is self-explanatory, requesting details of compliance of the new Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Ethics Code Rules 2021. And the government has told intermediaries, dear sir or madam, as you are aware that the Government of India has notified the information technology rules under the provisions of the Information Technology Act. These rules, the government is saying, these rules supersede the erstwhile notified information technology rules of 2011. And government, through a separate notification, has also prescribed that a social media intermediary having 50 lakh, that is 5 million registered users in India, will be considered a significant social media intermediary. And part 2 of the rules broadly prescribe the due diligence to be followed, and it's reading out the rule book to the social media intermediaries, saying that all intermediaries are now defined by the IT Act 2000. Additional set of due diligence will be applicable for the significant social media intermediaries, that is those, only those who have more than 5 million user base and are being administered by the government. The additional due diligence required by these intermediaries have come into effect today, and the conclusion of the 3 additional months is today. The 3 months given from the 25th of February has come to an end now, and they will have to now go by the new rules that are kicking in. The government basically is talking about the definition of these services, entities that are covered by the IT Act or rules as stated above, and the government is asking for compliance. Let me read out some of the aspects of what the government has mentioned in its notification that I have in my hand. The government says, as you including your parent company or any other subsidiary provide a variety of services in India, some of which falls under the definition of significant social media intermediaries in the context of the IT Act and the aforesaid rules. Accordingly, as part of the ascertaining the compliance to these rules, you are requested to provide the following information. The government is basically asking for details of 1. Name of the app or website service falling within the scope of significant social media intermediary. 2nd, details of, and the government is asking details of Chief Compliance Officer and contact details, nodal contact person and the contact details, resident grievance officer and contact details, physical contact address in India, and compliance status of these rules. Now, if you are not considered as a significant social media intermediary, please provide reasons for the same, including the registered users on each of the services provided by you. The government reserves the right to seek any additional information as may be permitted within these rules of the IT Act. So the 3 months has ended, the deadline has ended. So for all those who are trying to spread fake news, Kritsween, that WhatsApp will shut down, Facebook will shut down, Twitter will shut down, Instagram will shut down. Well, bad news for you. It's not shutting down. We told you that they were simply asking for compliance, and the government has, after the end of 3 months, are asking for compliance of and details of Chief Compliance Officer, Nodal Contact Person, Resident Grievance Officer, Physical Contact Address in India. They're basically asking for compliance and details of the above, I think, which is as per the norms and the laws of the land required for all those social media intermediaries that have more than 50 lakh users or 5 million user base in India.